Hey, good morning, guys. We're here at the Wawa, and we met up with all the fellas, these beautiful bikes, and we are going to Cold Springs for the bikes and breakfast up there, and then we'll do a quick ride home. So it should be a fun day. So let's check out these bikes first. Jerry's beautiful Pan America, KTM, it's beautiful Street Fighter. Oh, Nadal's Tiger. Nadal's beautiful. Beautiful.
Got the new pipe.
Nice. I like it. Yeah, you look happier than a kid in a candy store when that turned on. Got CycleFanatix new V4. Oh, here we go. The beautiful 1250 GS. This thing is sick.
Everybody, I'm like, why should I connect it? I don't even have one, you know? You know what to do. And all of a sudden I have one.
Now you have one. Here in Harriman State Park. It's a beautiful, beautiful lake right here. We're on Seven Lakes Drive, and yeah, I mean this is what you ride for, man. All this beautiful foliage and all this stuff. But look at this, beautiful, beautiful. A little windy. Sorry about the wind noise here, but it's awesome. All right, look at this, guys. We are here. Cold Springs, New York. I got this giant boat here. That's where I left my boat. But anyway, we're right here. Beautiful, beautiful view. Actually, that is probably, I want to say, that highway on the road there. Why can't I think of it right now? Storm King Highway. Yeah, that's probably Storm King Highway up there. I've never been on this side of it, so it's pretty nice up here. You know, nice little town. You know, it's a bikes and breakfast up here. Get to see all the cool bikes. Actually, right by the river. Got a plan to come up here a little more often. A little windy today, but it's awesome out here. Look at that view. We got the mountain right behind us. That's probably Bear Mountain, I think. And Storm King Highway is right up there. But yeah, man, this is a beautiful area. If you ever guys get a chance, I think it's the third Sunday of the month. They have a bikes and breakfast up here, Cold Springs, New York, right by the train. If you ever guys want to come up here, but yeah, bet you in the summertime it's beautiful. It's like a nice little walk. It's about a quarter-mile walk from the train, so not too bad. We got all the boys here. But yeah, so let's keep exploring this nice little area here in Cold Springs, New York. Beautiful bikes. Let's check them out. Oh, man, this GS is beautiful. Triple black. Triple black. KTM.
All right, Nadal, Steve, get out of the shop.
Look at that.
Yeah, the guy had that.
This Multistrada is fucking beautiful. CycleFanatix new Multistrada. Oh, look at this thing. It's like a beautiful. I gotta get me one of these. I don't know yet. Leave in the comments below. You think I should get an adventure bike? I'm really liking the 850 GS, the BMW. Sorry, Sean. If I get a BMW, would you still talk to me? So. Pan America. Look at the Tiger Rally Pro. I like this green though. That green looks nice. It's sharp. Of course, we got the Harley out. Forget what you heard. That's where to go, right there. Nice road glide. It's all dirty, but it's all right. Tell you, man, I like this paint scheme, man. I like the paint on yours. That gray. My Heritage used to be that color, that gray color with the chrome. It looked nice. Yeah, it's real beautiful. I like the pinstripe. The pinstripe breaks it up.
The few bugs get on it.
Yeah, it's all right. That's what it's made for.
To kill bugs, right?
Yep. Aprilia. We got Steve's Street Glide. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Should put these on the Harley? I really like this style. You know, a little cutting involved, but maybe I'll figure it out one day. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Color on the Road Glide. Look at that. Sorry?
I don't like that, you know, because I can't turn my head. I can't. That's not meant for gazebo. You can do it, but like from here to there. That's it. Yeah, that's enough.
Nice double R. Ooh, right there. You got the FTR. Got some knobbies on it. Look at that. Sorry about that, man. Oh, it's got the Bassani pipe on that. Yeah, that's nice. Carbon edition. Do some wheelies on that thing.
But I'm also going to take the
The V4.
The timing gear on it, you got like 4,000 or 5,000 miles out of it.
All right, so let's go get some coffee up the road here and take it from there. It's a beautiful little town here. Never been here. You got a train station over there. And yeah, let's get some cup of coffee here. Look at this beautiful view right here. Look at that mountain right there. It's beautiful. We got some coffee. Got something to eat. Let's go.
top speed is up.
This thing's beautiful though.
Yeah, it's beautiful. He's leaving
Right.
a little puddle on.
It's all right.
Look at the saddlebags.
I know.
Probably older than both of us combined.
The throttle and the handlebars.
Yeah.
Very cool. He's wearing like a modern helmet and modern gloves and stuff.
Well, you want to wear a leather?
Yeah, you gotta wear that fucking.
Yeah. Beautiful.
They were smart.
Dave, take a good picture and send it to me, please.
Sure.
I would appreciate it. It's like a video. I told them your young woman in the 70s. Picture of dad. And there's no oil in the snow. Just a big bike. It's just like a Harley.
Beautiful.
It's the police. You see, when I get home, I do it. I'm going to ride my band every ride. Yeah, that's what I don't think I've Oh, yeah, I got my son.
Home in the garage. Today was a good day. Did a little quick ride this morning. We went to Cold Spring, New York. Did a biker some breakfast up there. Got to see some beautiful views. I got the rest of the day now. That's why I like sometimes going out with these guys. You know, they get up early, do the rides in the morning. Now I have the rest of the day. So if you like today's video, guys, please hit subscribe. Also comment down below. Saw some beautiful bikes. What was your favorite? And if you hasn't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. Also hit that bell notification. Hey, you never know, it's something you might like. So I'll see you later, guys, and have a great day.